and this is your girl from inside the room, and today I want to talk about few books that I have read. So I am a book lover, but I haven't read much books, hardly 10, or below 10, or just about 10 average, that's it. So this is part 1. I'm doing like a bunch and then some other. So today I have 4 books with me. First one is APJ Abdul Kalam, My Journey. And this book, so we used to have a lesson, APJ Abdul Kalam search lesson in inter first year, maybe inter first year or second year, first year I think so we have a chapter, and then once I read the chapter, that was very attractive, and that was very kind of easy to understand, simple English, simple words, and stories are very interesting. So I thought I'll buy the book and I'll read. So at first I did not like this book very much because it's so how do I say, so lengthy and kind of boring. But then once I started reading it with my whole heart and putting my concentration into it, it was actually fun, and I didn't stop till half of the book. Once I started, I read half of the book in one go. So that's how this book is. So if you want to read cute stories and also inspirational stories, then this is the book to go, definitely. And then second book is Dear Stranger, I Know How You Feel. This is by Ashish Bagrecha sir, and this book I bought when I was feeling low, depressed, and when I am having anxiety. So at that time I thought no one really understands me, and this book also, it's written here that a journey to hope and healing. So I'm randomly searching books, and I read this line like a journey to hope and healing. Then I thought, why not just give it a try? But then it's kind of how do I say, it's kind of not I'm trying to find words. Okay, so for me, when I'm feeling low and depressed, I don't have that motivation or that interest to read anything. So I kind of started it to see like, okay, this book is also like normal any other book, but this is actually different. In this book, in every chapter, the first half will be exactly how you are feeling. He will say that you are depressed, he will say that you are being sad, he will say that you are sad, exactly everything you feel. And then he will say how to make your thoughts how to see your thoughts in the other way. So this book is exactly what the title says, Dear Stranger, I Know How You Feel. This book really knows how you feel, and it really helps you in your journey of healing. So anyone fighting depression, I would highly recommend and suggest to get this book right here. And third book, Ravinder Singh, I Too Had a Love Story. So I'm a big fan of rom-com and fairy tales and love stories. So this book I read from a meme page. I heard about it from a meme page, and the comments were very positive. Then I went to the Amazon page. I took a screenshot of this and put it in my status, and many people, not many people, a few people replied that I have read this book, this is very good, you have to give it a try. Then I'm so excited. I bought this book and I finished this whole book. How many papers? 230, yeah, 242 papers of book in hardly 3 to 4 days. Such a heart touching story. I will not give any spoilers, happy ending, sad ending, exciting, dramatic, romantic, whatever it is, but it's such a beautiful story. I would highly recommend whoever loves reading stories, rom-com, anything, they should definitely go for this one. And last but not least, Who Owns My Life by Anubhav Jain sir. So actually I have an account on this platform called Quora, and on Quora you will have account, and you can answer to questions that are asked by people, and you can ask any questions that you have, anything, any topic, and they will answer. So I followed Anubhav Jain sir on that platform, and then I came to know about this book. I have been wanting to get this for a long time, and I recently got this and I finished half of it. This is short stories, 52 stories, and each story is hardly 1 to 2 sides, and it really shows you the flip side of the story. First half will be how we are thinking, and the second part will be another whole different thing, like a plot twist. You know, you'll be thinking, okay, this will be the climax, this will be the climax, but that won't be. Exact opposite will be the climax, and it's such a thought changing book, I would say. So for anyone who is having any kind of negative thoughts and who want to see world in a different perspective, I would highly suggest to go for this book. So even though you can find all these books easily on Amazon, I would still try to link each of them in the description box. Hopefully I'll get them. And this is part 1. I still have 4 to 5 books which I will make part 2 if you all are interested. So let me know, comment down below, and message me on Instagram if you want to see more book review videos. I'll try to add my Instagram handle while I'm editing, and that's it. See you. Bye, and share the video with anyone who loves books and help them find their their book, their type of book, and let them read, let them be happy, spread positive vibes, and I will see you all with my next video. Bye.